Hey folks, Ash from DroningON live here, and I'm starting something a little bit new today. This is going to be a little video series, and it's going to be called Up Your Game. The idea behind this really is, as a YouTuber, it's all about creating great content, but let's face it, it's not just about that, is it? We all want subscribers and we want people to be watching our videos. And I believe that there are many little tips that you can think about that I've tweaked and evolved and used over the years to boost my channel, and it works. And what I'd like to do is give back by producing little short videos like this one, which you guys can watch and think about and consider how it can help your channel. So in this video series, I'm going to be publishing a playlist as well, so you can watch them all and basically giving tips. And what I want to do is see the action, see you actually implementing those ideas that I suggest. And in those videos, I want you to comment once you've published the video, comment on the video that gave you that tip or that bit of advice and show me the result. And I will look at each and every single one of those videos and I will then give you an opinion, a constructive opinion, DroningON-structive. Anyway, so this is the first episode of Up Your Game. And here's the first tip. Now, channels out there that just publish drone footage do okay. They float along, they gain a few subscribers over the years, not really the weeks. They get a few views per video, but they never really skyrocket. They never really become a big channel. And I know that because that's where I started. I started a channel a long time ago, which I won't share with you guys. It's out there somewhere if you can find it, of just drone footage that I was capturing. And I'd upload a video every few weeks or a month or so, and nothing really happened. It was just a nice channel of drone footage, but it's probably only just over 100 subscribers now, years later. And sadly, that's sadly the case if you just publish drone footage. There isn't a single channel, I don't think, out there with 100,000 subscribers where there's only drone footage and nice music. It just doesn't happen. The key differentiator is when you put yourself in front of the camera, even if it's just, hi, I'm Ash, I've gone down to the beach, I'm flying my Mavic Air 2, it's a bit windy, the weather's nice, I love this drone, this is why I love it. Anyway, let's get flying, enjoy the footage, hit subscribe. Something like that. Really corny, right? But just put yourself in front of the camera. Edit that into the beginning of your video, fade out, and then fade into your drone footage, as you normally would. You don't need to be worried, you don't need to be afraid. It's just, you're just talking to a camera like I am now. I'm not even talking to an SLR, I'm talking to my mobile phone. That's all I'm asking you to try doing. Get your mobile phone on a tripod. This is on an Osmo Mobile 3, just sat on my desk right now. Look at the video quality, it's not bad, is it? It's a Samsung S10. I've plugged in a little lapel mic straight into the microphone port on the bottom of the phone. That's how you get much cleaner audio as well, by the way. Don't be in a windy area, be somewhere fairly quiet and calm, and just record a short snippet. Don't script it, don't write it down and read it, because not only are your eyes going to be going left and right, it looks ridiculous. And you don't need to script it, because then you're not being real, you're not being yourself. And being yourself on camera is how you build subscribers. People don't want to subscribe to somebody who's artificial or fake or off camera is a completely different person. People want to subscribe because they see you, they see your personality, and they like you, and that's why they hit that subscribe button. Not because you're flying over a bridge or you're flying into some, flying past a mountain or, active tracking a car. It's nice, but that's not the reason they hit subscribe. They hit subscribe because they like you, they like your character, your personality, and if you put that into your videos, it massively, massively helps to boost those views and subscribers and to get your channel out there and seen by many, many more people. It doesn't matter if you cock up. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake like I just did. It's the Swedish influence over here. It just doesn't matter. Just be yourself. Don't talk for hours like I am now, but this is a tutorial video. But just keep it to 30 seconds at the beginning of your next video and then just do it. All right? So that's the Up Your Game challenge for this episode. I want to see you do it. just have no fear. Just start recording and just film it like I am now. Please try it, all right? Don't worry about what you look like or what you sound like or what you say. Just do it and try it and see how many views that video gets. And then I want you to comment below with a link to the video that you've published that has that piece in it. All right? If this helps, hit the subscribe button below because this is episode 1. As I say, I'll add all of these videos to a playlist, and ultimately this will hopefully become a really nice guide on how to up your game with your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you can't be bothered to up your game. Cheers. Bye.